more healthy because it is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and also protein is there that is lean protein, that is not animal based protein, so no fat, no saturated fat is there. So high nutritional content, it is very good for your health, it boosts energy, and when you have more energy from the same amount of food, if you get more energy, how you will feel? You will feel more energized, and your mood is also elevated, like you feel like working more if you are using animal based product. The same calories you are taking, in that calorie you are taking more of fat, more of calories, so you feel more of lethargic, you are getting less nutrients, less vitamins, less minerals which are required to feel energized. Saturated fat and cholesterol, everybody knows what they lead to: obesity, overweight, obesity, and then obesity related many health problems like diabetes, heart disease. So cholesterol and saturated fat, they are directly linked to all the chronic diseases because of their contribution to weight. When you go plant-based, you are taking actually zero cholesterol because plants don't make cholesterol. Cholesterol is made in liver, inside the human bodies, or in animals also. In liver, cholesterol is made, but plants don't have liver, so they whatever you are taking from plants, you are taking cholesterol free, and that is also very low in saturated fat. Only in few plant-based products like coconut oil, more saturated fat is there, but otherwise in general whatever you use in your everyday meals, plant-based ingredients, these are very low in saturated fat. You get more glow with plant-based diet. How? Because you are getting more nutrients, you are getting more of vitamins, minerals which are required for your body, for your skin to feel good. And why vegan diet is considered very healthy, and how these nutrients actually contribute to your health. Basically, when you take lot of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, these help in lowering your weight, as you understood, and also your BMI. Lowering of BMI is directly related with your cholesterol level, with your blood pressure, and with your blood sugar level. So if your blood pressure is under control, your blood sugar is getting under control, directly you are getting your chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, everything is like you are reducing your risk for that. So with vegan diet, with plant-based diet, you prevent, you can treat, and you can heal yourself. And even some people who go plant-based, they reverse. Earlier they had all these chronic diseases, they can totally reverse all these health conditions, and they live a healthy, happy life. Plant-based diet is less susceptible, make people less susceptible for kidney and gallstones. Seen that if some people have gone for vegan diet for over a year, their asthma attack frequency and the intensity got reduced. So even this is helpful in asthmatic problems. Sometimes people worry when we go vegan how we will get all the nutrients. So basically, what all nutrients, they are grouped under 5 main food groups. Like first is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, and also water. Water is also a very essential nutrient. So carbohydrate, how we will get carbohydrate from vegan diet? How you will get? From grains, any grains, from cereals, and whole grains and millets. All these provide healthy carbohydrates. So in vegan diet, your one food group is you can easily eat. Then protein. How you will get protein from vegan diet? From legumes, from pulses, from nuts, from seeds, from soya bean is also very rich in tofu and other products that is made from soya bean, soya milk, that is also very good in protein. Then third food group is fat. How you will meet your fat requirement with vegan diet? So nuts and seeds, these are very good in healthy fat because they don't have cholesterol. They are not having saturated fat. So they only provide what your body needs, healthy fat, without any harm to your body. Vitamin and mineral. So actually vitamin and minerals are more in fruits and vegetables only. So when you go vegan, you eat more of plant-based product as well as vegetables and fruits. So you are actually getting more of vitamin and minerals. So no need to worry about vitamin and minerals. Anyways, you are getting more than earlier if if you are earlier you were using animal based product. Fifth is water. When you eat more of plant-based diet, because you are eating more of fruits and vegetables, these have more of water content in it, and also you take more water and fruit juices, your water content need is also met. So if somebody questions you about how about your nutrient need and how you will meet your requirements and all, then you are very clear. Only 5 food groups are there, and for every group you have to just see whether you are considering the requirement according to your requirement. You are taking some serving of that group in every meal. That's it. You have to see whether you are eating carbohydrate, protein, fat in every meal. If you are taking any ingredient that is giving you that nutrient, that food group, then you are meeting your meal. No need to worry about it. But definitely you have to plan. You have to plan your vegan diet accordingly. You have to see you are not missing any food group altogether. If you are not taking nuts and seeds, maybe you are not getting healthy fat. So you have to consider nuts and seed in your diet. You have to consider that for protein, you have to take legumes, beans, nuts, seed in every meal. Protein should be taken in every meal with carbohydrate. That is good for health management also, healthy weight management also, and for your health also. Overall, for your how much is your weight, that much in kilogram your weight, but in gram, that much protein you need every day. So whatever is your weight, you need that gram protein. So you have to see that at least that much protein you are getting from your whole day meal. So for that, just consider including all those foods that are rich in that food group, and then your needs are met very easily. But only 2 nutrients you have to worry about. One is B12 and another is D, vitamin D. For vitamin D, you should consider 15 to 20 minutes of walk in the sun, and if you are not able to do that, you take supplements. For vitamin B12, every vegan should, and even vegetarians also. And it's not a guarantee that whoever is non-vegetarian, they are not deficient in vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is actually, with our sanitary conditions now, we are so hygienic that everyone is deficient in vitamin B12. So whoever is considering themselves very hygienic and taking more control of their hygiene and all that, they are more deficient in vitamin B12. It is basically made by bacteria. So just 2 vitamins you have to consider, vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Otherwise all other nutrients you can easily meet with vegan diet.